Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video I am using a new product from Picket. This will be exclusively available at the moment at scrapbook.com, but I know it will be probably available at other places later this month. But I wanted to talk about these new blending pouncers, and I have never used anything like this before I got this product in my hand, and I probably will be back with another video showing you some tips and tricks, because in this video I will just share the product with you and give you some things that I found out or discovered as I tried them out. And I will also share how I store my pouncers in a picture here in a second. But it has this lid or container, and it has a handle, and then it has this foam. It looks nearly like a mushroom, and here you can see the picture of how I'm storing my pouncers. I would recommend that you are using different sets if you are using, like here I'm using dye inks, but if you're using like the oxides, I probably would use another set for that. I would not like mix these, because you could contaminate like the ink pads itself. I think it would not be a problem with the pouncers. It's more the ink pads that I don't think will like the different inks in them. So with that being said, I tried out these pouncers on two techniques that I think they are meant for, and the first one is inking up die cut pieces. So this is a really delicate feather or brunch, whatever you want it to look like. This is also a Picket product, and the other thing that I think they are great for is pouncing ink through a stencil. It really is an easy way. I would never like switch these out for blending brushes. In my opinion, you need both of these products, because I would never like use my blending brushes on die cuts like that. I think they will be ruined in a second. So these are good for different things. But I don't think you can get the same smooth like transition between colors with these as you get with the blending brushes. So I just wanted to point that out. It's not a replacement, it's just something else that you can use if you like. And as I said, I probably will be back later on showing you more techniques. And one thing that I found out, I will share a picture here in a second, is when you're using the smaller cubes, the cube shape will be, you can see here on the pouncer. So you can see we're using a full-size ink pad. I don't have a problem, but here I get some hard lines, and to avoid that on my project, I'm taking the ink cube and then smushing it firstly on top of some acetate. This is just the packaging for my stencil, and then I can avoid those hard edges. So you can use these with both the small ink cubes or the full-size ink pads, but I would recommend just taking that extra step when you're using the cubes, not to like get the hard lines. And for my project here, oh by the way, all of the products that I use in this video will be linked down below if you like to see them in different ways or purchase them. But I wanted the focus in this video to be on the new pouncers and not the card itself. I just put it together with the things that I had laying out here, so you can see how it all comes together using inks and the new pouncers. And I hope you got inspired to check this product out. I had a lot of fun creating this card and experimenting with them, and as I said, I probably will be back soon with another video giving you more tips and tricks. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!